Bum bum ba bum bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum bum ba bum bum ba bum 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 ba bum bum ba 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 bum 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 ba 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 bum 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 ba bum bum ba bum. This is Dave from Zachu Punch headquarters. Welcome to this stealthy DIY construction of some fun space thingies from a well-known science fiction trilogy. You're going to have to listen to me hum along as we go. So, I'm guessing that you figured out a way to laser cut the model according to the instructions on the website and that you have something like this in front of you. Does it look familiar? Good. Then let's build a snowspeeder. Let's build an indeterminate attack aircraft of no special origin. Punch out these pieces here. Now, fold the wingy one in half and then, let's go ahead and get you into the Zachu Punch Zen practice of folding along all the lines before you actually assemble the pieces together. It's good self-discipline. That's going to be the cockpit, right? And then the cockpit type piece is going to slot together with the wing piece and fold around it like so. Those front cockpit pieces hook onto the front of the wing to keep everything snug, right down to the last fallen Imperial Walker troop carrier. Then the last edge folds around toward the front and tucks into the space between the wing and the cockpit piece. Super. The guns on the side kind of fold up too if you want to get all the points. Super. Pre-flight check complete. We'll do a rinse, lather, repeat on those as you like. Maybe you have a brother or sister who saw how you did that and wants to do the other two. Can you find them? I don't know. Or you can wait till later. Right now we've got bigger fish to fry. The Imperial Walker, armored transport of indeterminate origin, this is the real thing. Let's find the two pieces that make the body and punch them out. We're going to fold all the tabs before we even start to think about connecting them, okay? That's just table stakes. You come to Zachu Punch, you have to follow the Zachu Punch rules. So sorry, but that's the way it is. When you fold up the sides of the troop transport, you're going to see a gap form. That's okay, it will make it look way cooler from the side. Got all the folds folded? Now we're going to zip it together, starting with the front. The front is just slightly taller than the back, just so you know. Start by inserting the tab into the slit on the last bit of the bottom piece. Then slot the front and back pieces together on the next face. According to Zachu Punch Prime Directive, the tabs all have to go on the inside. This seems harder, I know, but it is worth it. Keep going from the front to the back until all the tabs on both sides are interlocking to the inside. This is going to be rock solid. No Rebel speeder is going to be able to take one of these bad boys down. Am I right? You know I'm right. You're kind of short for a stormtrooper, but you're on a roll. So let's make the head. There's just one piece for the whole head, but it's a pretty complicated one. Same principle as the body though. Fold all the folds, then wrap the top over and around until it meets with the front jaw. Yep, that kind of seems like a jaw. Fold out the guns so that they project menacingly from the sides. Or maybe those are just temperature and pressure sensors. Yep, they're just sensors. The neck is going to connect the head and the body together because that's what necks do. I think you can probably handle this part without further prompting. Cool. Now let's add some legs so that you can walk around and kick some rebel butt. Obey Zachu Punch Zen practice and fold the pieces before slotting them together. For the legs, they kind of go around in a square so that they fit the pattern on the bottom of our troop carrier. Boom, 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 boom. You want to push the legs up until the skirt is flush with the bottom surface, you know what I mean? That way, the legs will never be able to be brought down by flimsy cables fired from snow speeders. We'll make the legs extra stable by adding feet to the bottoms, solid as a rock. This is Imperial engineering we're talking about. With the last two snow speeders, aircraft of indeterminate origin, you should be able to construct your battle scene, or maybe it's a scene of tranquil scientific investigation by cooperating troop carriers and intercept aircraft, because these are just generic science fiction artifacts. The interpretation is totally up to you. You know what I said about following the Zachu Punch rules? I was just kidding. There are no rules. Use scissors and tape for all I care. You don't need instructions as long as you turn this into something you like. And this part isn't in the rules, but the most fun I had was watching the Imperial Walker absolutely crush the snowspeeders. Alternate history. Empire forever. Who knew? This is Dave, signing off from Zachu Punch headquarters.